Good morning to my sweet friends, and today I am very excited to welcome you to all of you to this wonderful seminar organized by Accent Talk Institute. In this seminar, what the name of seminar is to speak to inspire, in which you can get the information about how to speak in front of anyone. So, in the starting of this session, I want to welcome to my trainer and speaker, Mr. Anuj Maurya.
Thank you so much. Okay. So let me tell you that what is the importance of conversation. Conversation has the power to change from nothing to everything. And conversation has the power to change from everything to nothing. And the conversation has the power to change from bottom to top and top to bottom. So we should never underestimate the power of conversation. Let me tell you that why we are here and what is the importance of public speaking. I'm just telling in few words. Have you ever heard any written story about a building which is in under construction? Never. Because nobody like to see the construction work. Nobody wants to see the ugliest moment of a building, but the same building when the construction of that building been completed, then it suddenly changed into the miracle. When everybody came to that building and asked about that and describe about that building, that how beautiful this building is that. Just imagine about Taj Mahal when it was under construction. Nobody knows that it is something kind of. But when it is the construction of the Taj Mahal has been done, then what happened? It's completely become a miracle. Then everybody of the world wanted to see that miracle of the world. The same thing happens with all of you. That you are just building which is in under construction. Nobody wanted to see you in the progressing situation. Like suppose now you are just progressing, na? That's why everybody that nobody knows you. Then one day when you will be something, when you will achieve in your life something, then the suddenly miracle will change. Then all the news reporters, all the big reporters, all the people of your own societies will come to you and ask about you. That's Viraj, how you did that? Sujan, how you can achieve it? How? Disperse, how it possible that what you are doing there? So this is the art of public speaking. Why you are guys listening so curiously to me? You know why? It is called art of public speaking and conversation. So are you ready to dive deep of the public speaking topic?
Yes, sir.
Great, let's begin. So it was the first standing. So this shows that how you can start. ये होता है पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का स्टार्ट करने का तरीका. आई हैड जस्ट मेड अ वेरी स्मॉल स्टोरी एंड जस्ट डिस्क्राइब अबाउट दैट इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. And now I'll tell you that how can you speak it out in front of people. Not too many things, but some important things like how you can overcome from stage fear. Everybody has. If I ask you to come here and speak it out something and you will just start fearing out of like यार कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए ना, है ना, कुछ बोलने में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा, ये क्या सोचेंगे हमारे बारे में. Second, that use of body language effectively. I have told you many times in my classes that how you can use your body language effectively. Suppose if I am putting my one hand in my pocket and if I am using one hand by out of, so it is the part of our body language, right? Second, speak with confidence and impact. If you are speaking, it should look like that you are speaking. It should not look like that someone is forcing you. And the most importantly, that is my motive of this class, is that how you would inspire others to do. हमको ये सीखना है कि हम ऐसा क्या लोगों को बता दें कि सामने वाला हमसे इंस्पायर हो जाए. Public speaking doesn't illustrate the only speaking English. Public speaking ये नहीं बताता है कि सिर्फ हमको इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है. Public speaking is the art of speaking. It can be in any language. What includes public speaking? If you are doing public speaking, you must need to be confident. How you would be confident? Like if you have already prepared your content. Like I am prepared here. So that's why I'm looking confident. Huh? So if I were not prepared for this speech, so I would not be confident here. Why the people will listen you? That's one of the very important aspect of public speaking. And it's not only that speaking, it's also builds your confidence. कहीं भी कुछ भी करने का फोड़ के चले आओ। तुमको बोलना आता है ना, किसी से भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो। जैसे जनरली सुजल यूज्ड टू आस्क मी मेनी क्वेश्चंस इन स्कूल। व्हाई? बिकॉज़ ही नो हाउ टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। सपोज इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, हाउ वुड बी आस्किंग मी? सोचते कि यार क्या ही पूछूं, कैसे पूछूं। इट्स हेल्प इन अवर लीडरशिप। व्हाई द क्लास टीचर, व्हाई द स्कूल टीचर जनरली चूज दैट वन बॉय दैट इज गुड इन स्पीकिंग और द लीडिंग अ टीम? व्हाई? द टीचर knows that boy can handle everything. Why you are listening me today? I know how to speak it out. So you are not growing my career. I am helping you to grow your career, and you guys are also helping me to grow my career and personality. First point that I am telling you, that how you overcome from, how you can overcome from stage. सपोज मान लिया हम जब भी कभी स्टेज पर आते तो वो बड़ा डर सताता रहता है, यार कहीं पीछे से कोई टांग ना खींच ले मेरी, है ना। कभी देखा है ऐसे लोगों को कि स्टेज पर आते हैं ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, कांपने लग जाते हैं, हाथ पैर कांपने लग जाते हैं ना। यू नो व्हाई इट हैपेंस? बिकॉज ऑफ फियर ऑफ स्टेज। और ये स्टेज है क्या यार? जगह ही तो है। जितना आसान अपने भाषा में उस चीज को तुम समझने का प्रयास करो उतना ही आसान होता है। ये लाइट, ये कैमरा, ये ब्लैक बोर्ड, ये हमको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करेगा। ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हमको इस इंसान को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे जिसका कोई था नहीं है जहां तक वो जा सकता है इंसान। आइंस्टाइन जैसे साइंटिस्ट हो गए, वो क्या थे? एक इंसान ही तो थे। तो ये तुम सोच रहे हो छोटी सी जगह हमको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करेगी, ये समझ के हमारे स्टेज फियर गायब हो सकता है। इट्स अप टू यू दैट हाउ यू आर टेकिंग दैट स्टेज, हाउ यू आर टेकिंग दैट प्लेस। ये तुम्हारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि इस जगह को तुम समझ क्या रहे हो। रिस्पेक्ट, यू मस्ट नीड टू रिस्पेक्ट द प्लेस, बट यू डोंट नीड टू स्केयर ऑफ दैट प्लेस। जगह है, रिस्पेक्ट करनी है, बट उससे डरना नहीं है। कभी सुना है कि बजरंग बली निकल के गदा मार देंगे खोपड़ी पे आके? नहीं ना। या फिर काली जी तलवार निकाल के सर काट देंगी हमारा? कभी नहीं। बट आई हैड एन respect, I have a dignity towards them, na. Now I am telling that how I do generally when I feel stage fear. Take a deep breath. जब भी आपके सामने ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आ जाए कि भाई मैं डर रहा हूं, नॉट ओनली व्हेन यू आर पब्लिक फॉर पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑडियंस, तब नहीं, जब कभी भी आपको लगे कि मैं कहीं किसी से पूछने, कोई क्वेश्चन तुम पूछने आ रहे हो, किसी से पूछने जा रहे हो, एक बार बढ़िया आंख बंद करके सांस, लंबी सांस खींचो अंदर से और फिर छोड़ दो और चले जाओ। 100% श्योर दैट यू विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट। तुम जो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ पा रहे थे टीचर से, वो आसानी से पूछ लोगे जाके वहां। स्माइल एंड मेंटेन आई कॉन्टेक्ट, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। एंड मेंटेन smile like this. You're smiling here, no? The audience should not look like that you are just making angry mood. I will speak English. You have to listen. Why you will not listen? It's my institute. You have to stare. If I generally use this expression here, you would just started laughing there, no? So this is also the art of public speaking. You know that? So if you're just making all the time rude behavior, rude expression on your face, then the audience feels क्या ही यार बेवकूफ आदमी है, किसकी बातें सुन रहा हूँ, है ना। There should be a proper smile on your face that the people would like to listen. थोड़ी सी चेहरे पर मुस्कान होनी चाहिए, सामने वाला कहे यार कितना खुश इंसान है, देन द पर्सन वो और चाहेगा कि मैं तुमसे कुछ सुनूं। नाउ मेंटेन आई कॉन्टेक्ट। लेट मी टेल यू नो दैट व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ मेंटेनिंग आई कॉन्टेक्ट हियर। If I started speaking to you and I'm not maintaining eye contact, that how does you feel that I am engaged to you? तुमको कैसे लगेगा कि मैं तुमसे engaged हूँ? अगर तो मैं अभी इधर देख के पूरी क्लास बोलने लग जाऊं तो तुमको लगेगा कि it is something the class is going on. So when you are listening and when someone is speaking, you must need to maintain eye contact to that audience, that person. Then the person will feel that you are giving importance to that one and you are just important for them and that person is also important for you. To give importance, to give respect to each other, we must need to maintain eye contact. Okay, that's the art how you can overcome from stage fear. Last but not least, don't try to be परफेक्ट। कभी अपने आप को सबसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट समझाने की कोशिश नहीं करना है। हमको बहुत ज्यादा अपने आप को स्मार्ट बनाने की कोशिश नहीं करनी है। वट एवर you are perfect in it. And we don't need to prove that I am perfect here. Because the fact of the universe is that in this universe nobody is perfect. So we don't need to try to be perfect here, bhai. So the first aspect of public speaking has been completed, that how you can overcome from your stage fear.